Valentine's Day for you?
Did you guys go out? No? Okay. Kalma lang. Tinatanong ko lang naman. I'm just curious. Di ba? Did you guys go out? Kasi. How did you spend Valentine's Day? Ayaw ko lang tanongin yung buong cast. Kayong dalawa naman.
Bukas, para kasama sila. Ako, nanood ako ng Netflix, yung Singles Inferno.
Bakit naman yun?
Nanood ako noon.
Okay, okay.
Ako, wala, bahay lang din. May meeting lang ng tapos nag-aaral lang, may inaaral lang ako para sa isang role. Yeah.
Okay. Okay ka, Nats? Okay.
MJ, we are now to our last question.
Oh.
And that killer question will come from the diva that we love, no other than Alwin Ignacio of Tribute.
Yes. For Kim and for Paolo. For projects together, where do you attribute the success of Kim Pao?
I think I really attribute it to the people supporting us. Because yun nga, parang Lin lang was supposed to be a one-time project. Pero sila yung nag-request talaga na parang they wanted more, they wanted to see more. We did Secretary Kim, then they wanted a movie. We gave them a feel-good movie, and now parang an intense teleserye. So, ano talaga, siguro hanggang nire-request na hanggang may gusto pang panoorin kami. Parang we'd still do projects together. So it's for the fans and people who supporting us. So thank you so much.
For projects together, where do you attribute the success of Kim Pao?
Ito naman is, hindi naman siya mag-work without the support na nakukuha namin ngayon. Ako kasi, tatlong love teams na ako. So parang talaga, mayroon pa rin pala na nagsusupport sa amin ni Pao. And this time, in this day and age, ang bilis ng takbo ng bawat artista. And ang bilis magsawa ng mga tao. Pero sobra kaming nagugulat and at the same time, very thankful ni Pao na ganito yung effort and time and love na binibigay nila sa amin. Kaya gusto din namin ibalik sa kanila with giving them great projects also na iba-iba para iba-iba yung variations. Parang ganun. So very, very lucky in this lifetime na merong sumusuporta sa amin.
Okay, last question. For projects together, nandun na ba kayo sa point na parang nakakaumay na? Parang pahinga muna tayo.
Hindi naman po, hindi naman. Actually, may times na na parang not because nakakaumay, pero parang we feel overworked. So parang kaya hinga muna. But whenever I talk to Kim naman, parang ano pang pwede natin gawin after this, ito. Pwede pa pala to. Sige, baka pwede natin i-reserve yan in the future. So it's more of like finding kung ano pa nang pwede namin i-offer na hindi pa nila nakikita po sa amin.
Which sa totoo lang maganda yun ha? Yung konting breather, di ba Alwin?
Yes.
Para may miss factor. Kim, what's your reaction?
Ako, may mga ganun na parang kami mag-eksena lagi. Kaya maganda din na binigyan kami ng TFC na Kim Pao World Tour.
Yun!
Which is coming this next month, April. Basta i-announce din nila. So, meron kaming US and Canada tour. So, masaya din. At the same time, it's something different and mas personal to say thank you to all of them.
Okay, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you, Alwin. As we wrap this up, let's talk about that now real quick before we ask messages from everybody. Kim Pao World Tour, your reaction when this was announced, Paolo, sa asa parang, meron? Parang meron eh. So, how did you feel na meron kayong ganito? Kim, we were just talking about this sa van when we were in Korea, di ba? Parang sabi ko kay Direk Lauren.
Maganda mag-tour.
Oo, di ba?
Yes, ano na siya, yung imaginary namin nangyayari na because of TFC. So binigyan kami ng chance to meet our supporters sa
Yes,
US, sa
yes.
Canada. So excited kami.
Okay, may mga dates na tayo, Pao. Baka you can... may dates na! Okay. Mark your calendars, mga team, kapamilya, TFC, team abroad. Okay, let's go.
Okay, on April April 24 will be at Redwood City. April 26, Anaheim.
And May 1 sa Edmonton and May 3 sa Toronto.
Alright! Mga kapamilya natin sa North America, it's Redwood City on the 24th. And then Anaheim in California on the 26th. And then May 1, Edmonton, and May 3 in Toronto. Wow!
See you there!
Ayan, so exact venues and ticket details are coming out soon, so abangan nyo lang yan. See you soon, everyone.
Yan! Okay, we're gonna show something sa LEDs. Yeah, may mga surprise kumikip, parang yung flowers ng Pao. Okay, ready? Let's go! Let's show it. Oh, it's the poster of the Alibi! Grabe naman talaga! Ang ganda! Alright, thank you everybody for sharing your questions. And maraming salamat sa cast for being candid in answering
you.
and making this press con fun. Let's have a group photo, please.